Virtual Academy, we are back. We're ready to tackle the proficiency exam with one more problem um, under our belt, right? 24, look at the equation below. Absolute value of negative x minus 4 equals 5. What should we do here? Which graph represents the solution set of the equation? We have to figure out which graph may represent the solution set of the given equation. When you have an equation, an absolute value, remember you should have two solutions. Looking at each one of them, every one of them has two solutions, right? Two dots. And obviously they're full dots because, or closed dots, closed circles, whichever way you want to call them, because this is an equation. To solve any absolute value equation, in this case the one that's given, negative x minus 4 equals 5, and for the same, you'll use the same approach with inequalities to a certain point, right? You will write two inequalities. First of them, just remove the brackets. You just remove these two lines, right? That make our absolute value. Your equation will be negative x minus 4 equals 5. The other equation, you remove the brackets on the left, negative x minus 4, but on the right, you're going to change the sign of that number. It will be negative 5, right? Because obviously, if you think about absolute value of 5 is 5, absolute value of negative 5 is also 5, okay? Let's solve the first one. I will add 4 to both sides. My negative x will equal 9. If negative x is 9, x will be the opposite of that, which is what? Negative 9. I will stop and I'm going to look for which one does not have negative 9 as a solution. A has it, right there, right? B has it, that's negative 9. C does not. C is not good. D doesn't have x equals negative 9. Now I have to choose which one of A and B will be my solution. And there are two ways. One way is basically to take this number over there, and that number is what? Negative 1, right? And you can just plug it in. Negative 1 minus 4 is what? Negative 5. Absolute value of negative 5 is 5. This tells me that, you know what? A is my answer. But if you don't believe me, you should go ahead and solve this equation here. Plus 4, right? You find that negative x equals negative 1. I did something wrong. Oh, yes. Good. I made it wrong, guys. A is not, because remember, my mistake. Let's see. My mistake was what? I have negative x, but negative x is negative 1 for this problem, for this option A, and negative 1 is 1. So make sure you're not making the same mistake that I make, because x should be equal to 1. All right? Good thing we caught this mistake in time. And that's why the answer to this problem is going to be B, right? You have one solution negative 9, the other one 1. And you see, it's better to check your work, either finding the solution in a different way or by plugging the solution back into your equation and see if it's checking, because if not, there should be a mistake somewhere like it was in our case. Okay, this is it. I will see you guys in the next one.